Hey guys, this is Paul from barcall.com. This tutorial is aimed at people who are just venturing into home recording and need to know how to set their sound card up to work with Cubase. Just going to go ahead and start Cubase here, using Cubase version 5, but it's exactly the same process in versions 3, 4 and 5. It's also the same for the PC version. Now if you get stuck at any time, just pause it and rewind until things come a bit clearer. Just going to go ahead and start a new project here with an empty template and just save it anywhere because we're only doing the settings for the moment. Now go to the devices menu at the top here, down to device setup. Make sure we're looking at the VST audio system. Now the ASIO driver is currently set to built-in audio. We've got an external sound card which is called the Edirol FA101, so we'll go ahead and select that, and then we'll confirm that we want to switch the ASIO driver and then OK that. Now we need to set up the connections between the sound card and Cubase, so we'll go to devices, down to VST connections, and here you've got the inputs and outputs. Now Cubase has automatically given us a stereo bus and assigned that to the first two inputs on the Edirol FA101. So I've got 10 inputs on here, so we're just going to go ahead and change that. We're going to go for the presets, go down to 10 times mono, and you'll see that we now have 10 mono buses in Cubase, which are linked to the 10 inputs on the Edirol FA101. Now if we click the plus button next to the presets, we can actually store this as a preset. I've done this already, so if I go in the presets list, I can click on Edirol and it's all set up ready to go. We can do exactly the same for the outputs, but it's already set up a stereo output bus and assigned it to channels 1 and 2, which is fine for me. So I'll just explain to you a little bit what these buses are, because it can be a bit confusing. So if we set up a new audio channel, on the left here you see the input. Now the input, you've got the list of the different buses. If I was to select M1, that would be the bus, which is, sorry, opened the wrong thing. That would be the bus which is connected to the Edirol FA101's first input. So that's how the buses actually work in Cubase. Thanks for watching. Please visit barcall.com for more tutorials and advice.